my name's Glenn. Welcome back to our Delta Scientific YouTube channel. Today I'd like to talk about our 7090 beam barricade maintenance. Right here we have a hydraulic cylinder, and right there is a clevis pin. This clevis pin looks similar to what I'm holding in my hand, and it has a bushing on it, just like this. We need to inspect this, lubricate this, and replace it periodically because this is a key wear component. As long as we keep this pin and bushing in good working order, your beam barricade will protect your facility for a long time.
Drop a comment below with a question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.